Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news as Kaizer Chiefs are set to sign Jonah Fapish. We are also going to talk about the shocking story on Spesihle Matuna. Before we start, make sure you smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So, according to multiple reports, Kaizer Chiefs are set to sign Jonah Fapish, who's a midfielder. 20 what 4 years old, can play as a 6, can play as an 8, Zimbabwean international. I saw I saw this comment for post reported that he's set to join a Betway Premiership club. They didn't mention the name of the club, and I saw this comment. This guy said, whenever I see a Zimbabwean player, I already know the team. We are getting cooked, man. I don't wanna lie. We are getting cooked. Yeah. So yeah, he's a Zimbabwean international. I saw him in the AFCON, and let me just be honest. I don't think he's a ceiling raiser. Yes, he's a good player, but I don't think is someone who's going to move the needle. Is someone who's going to take us to another level. As I've said, I only watched him in the AFCON, but there are some players you only watch once and be like, yo, this is a great player. He didn't give me that, that vibe. Like he was just an average player. He's better than Sibongiseni Mthethwa, but that's not the criteria. I don't think he's going to raise the ceiling. I don't think it's going to take us to another level. I don't think it's going to raise the needle. So yeah, I think this is once again another underwhelming signing. It's not a, it's, This is not good enough. I'm not even trying to be negative, but according to my own opinion, I don't think this guy is good enough. But yeah, I'm going to give him a chance. He's definitely coming, so there's absolutely nothing I can do except to support him and give him a chance. As a Kaizer Chiefs player, and I back every Kaizer Chiefs player. So yeah, let's see what he has for us in store, man. Let's see what he has for us in store. Medicals are underway. Now another story which is absolutely shocking, absolutely bonkers. Spesihle Matuna. Oh, according to Soccer Beat, Kaizer Chiefs are exploring a move for Spesihle Matuna. Now, this is absolutely shocking, absolutely insane. Yeah, Spesihle Matuna, of course, just left Chess Galaxy. He's a free agent. There it is. He's a free agent. Makes sense. He's a free agent. Makes sense. Midfielder. He's a good player. Make no mistake. He's a good player. But he's not a Kaizer Chiefs level player. He's not a Kaizer Chiefs level player. He's a great player for your TS Galaxy, for your Amazulu, for your Skukune, those teams. He's not good enough for Kaizer Chiefs. And I am hearing some of you now talking about this guy as if he's Sipho Mbule, prime Sipho Mbule. But none of you were mentioning anything about Spesihle Matuna until today, when you heard that he's being linked to Kaizer Chiefs. Now you want to gas him up. You want him to, you want to convince us that he's a great player. I am not going to be convinced. I don't think Spesihle Matuna is good enough for Kaizer Chiefs, as much as he's a good player. Very versatile in the midfield, but he's not a player who's good enough for Kaizer Chiefs. And we all know if he didn't become a free agent, Kaizer Chiefs were never going to make a move. That's because they didn't believe his worth them paying money for him. So I am not buying all of this, man. I don't think Spesihle Matuna is a good player. I don't think Spesihle Matuna is a good player for Kaizer Chiefs. He's a good player for TS Galaxy, Amazulu, and all those teams, but not for Kaizer Chiefs. So I just hope these are just rumors. There's nothing concrete there. But yeah, let's see what happens in the upcoming days. So yeah, thanks for watching. Smash a like, get involved in the chat, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.